Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make smothered oxtails and gravy. So if you have never ever cooked oxtails before, then make sure you keep watching because I'm going to show you how to make these. You will need 2 pounds of beef oxtails, and this is what they look like. Okay, you want to just rinse and pat them dry. Rinse them off really good. Okay, dice half of a white onion, 1 green bell pepper, 2 jalapeños, and 3 garlic cloves. You're going to measure out the seasonings that you see on the screen. Now let's drizzle a little oil onto the oxtails, and we're just going to go in with a large wooden spoon and just toss them around. Now take the seasonings, okay? Mix all of those seasonings together, okay? We're going to just sprinkle half of the seasoning blend onto the oxtails. Then we're going to again take that wooden spoon and we're going to toss them to evenly coat the oxtails. Now we're going to brown the oxtails in a large pot. So you'll need to add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is nice and hot, add the oxtails in there and try not to overcrowd your pot. So I am cooking these on a medium-high heat, and I'm going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Now in this next clip, you will probably notice that the seasonings are beginning to burn a little. All right. Here's a quick tip. If you want to prevent your seasonings from burning, then just season your oxtails with only salt, pepper, and garlic before browning, okay? Then you're going to add the remaining seasonings after you saute the veggies. After you have browned the meat, take it out, add the veggies. We're just going to let these cook until the onions are translucent. We're going to add the garlic separately, okay? So when you add in those veggies, make sure you don't have that garlic in there. You want to allow the onions to get translucent. So we're going to let the garlic cook until it's very fragrant, which should only take about 45 seconds. Then we will now just sprinkle on all of those remaining seasonings. We're going to mix this in with those veggies real good. Let it cook for about 1.5 minutes. Transfer all of the oxtails back into the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 cups of beef broth. You can do like a low sodium brand if you want. We're going to cover and simmer on medium-low heat for about an hour. Then we'll flip the meat over. Okay, we want to make sure that everything is cooking nice and evenly. Okay, we're going to cover this again and we will check back once the meat is almost done. Okay, so here we are. It's been about 3.5 hours of cooking. I did check this periodically. Now will be a good time to go ahead and thicken up that broth. So I'm going to use cornstarch to do this. This was about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and as you can see, I'm using some of the broth from the pot. So when you make yours, you can, do like I'm showing you, or if you want to just use a little water with that cornstarch, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you mix this together really good until the cornstarch is fully dissolved. We're going to add this slurry into the broth and we're going to give it a really good mix. Okay, so I'm going to let this continue to simmer for about an additional 30 minutes. So the total cook time was 4 hours. Okay, this is what the gravy looks like. It tastes really good. Let's take a look at the meat here. It's very tender, just the way that I like it. This is what it looks like all plated up. And y'all, this was so good. I hope that you will try it. If you have never tried oxtails before, I recommend you give this recipe a try, okay? And please let me know how your food turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a really big favor and click the like button. It really helps my channel, and I appreciate every time you guys watch and like my videos. So as always, I thank you so much for your support on this channel, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.